Hi nail friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this huge Amazon Prime nail haul for you guys. I picked up a lot of stuff from Amazon and I just thought I'd share with you all the products that I purchased. So stay tuned if you want to see what I got. I purchased this 36-piece self-adhesive striping tape. It comes in 1mm, 2mm and 3mm thickness. There is a lot, so I don't think I'll be needing any more anytime soon. It says that no glue is needed for it to adhere to the nails, so I'll keep you guys posted as to whether that works or not, because I do have some others that they said the same thing about, and I needed glue in order to adhere it to my nails. So we'll see. This one could be different, you never know. So you get a lot of colors for your money, and I'm just showing you the different sizes that they have. These are the three sizes right here, the 3mm, 2mm and 1mm, just to show you how different they are. I also got these Azure Beauty dipping powders, which is great for the spring and summer. The colors are so nice. There are 10 grams dip powders in the kit, so expect some great dip powder nail designs. I purchased some Azure Beauty dip powders before. I also have a haul where I show those powders. I'll link it in the cards. But for this dip powder, there are a few repeats, but I'll show them to you. I like to mention that all of the dip powders came with their seals. So we have this purple dip powder, which is super gorgeous. Then there is this beautiful pink dip powder, OMG. Then this yellow dip powder, which is perfect for the springtime. Then we have this red glitter. It's not like the rest, it has some white glitter powder mixed into it as well, which is so nice and unique. And then we have this creamish beige dip powder. I'm not good with colors, so excuse me. Then there's a darkish purple. It's almost identical to the other purple, but once you put them together you can see a slight difference between them. And this red dip powder is more of a bright red, and it's so gorgeous as well. So the three colors I'm going to be showing you, which are the peach with gold glitter, the glitter red and the silver dip powders, I have already when I purchased the Christmas dip powder colors, and they are so gorgeous as well. The more the merrier. I also purchased this nail art stamping starter kit. I really love the packaging, and pink is my favorite color, so I was sold just by that. So the stamping starter kit includes one stamping plate, nail party number 1, which has all these beautiful designs. The heart and the squiggly lines are my fave. I already have some designs in my head to do with these. There's also instructions as well. I love all the designs, but the heart has my heart. Yes, so it also comes with a scraper, which is so cute, OMG. Then there are two 10ml stamping nail polish, a black and a white. Then a stamper. The bottom of the stamper had some kind of oily feel to it, and it was so soft. I had no idea stampers were so soft. This is my first time with a stamper, so excuse my ignorance, but I really like it. I also purchased a chunky transparent stamper and scraper set separately because I wanted a transparent stamper, because being a newbie to stamping, I wanted something so that my designs would actually go on my nails, so to avoid misplacing the image. The scraper wasn't as cute compared to the other. I really liked the stamper, and it's so soft as well. I shouldn't be surprised that it's soft, because it needs to be able to go over the nail in order to stamp, like duh. So anyway, this SXC Cosmetic foil came with 2 containers of nail foil, which are so nice. I can't wait to use them. It also came with 2 full bottles of nail foil glue, which is actually like a gel. So it needs to be cured in a lamp. And also it came with instructions. So the packaging was very nice. I really liked it. And I was very impressed by the amount of gel nail foil glue it had in the bottles. It's really nice. So the two foil kits that came with the set, one is this holographic nail foil kit, which is so beautiful, and then this colorful one, which is also so gorgeous. I can't wait to use them. I'll be doing a review on it, so stay tuned for that. I also got this Model 1 gel nail polish. They sent this to me as a gift. I really wasn't expecting it to be this small. I was shocked when I saw it. But the colors are so gorgeous and nice for the spring and summer. So this is Model 1's gel nail polish set with a gel top coat and base coat, and it also comes with 6 candy rainbow bright colors. It also came with a blank sticker which I'd be polishing. This would be used to identify the colors. So I'm going to be swatching all the colors for you to see how beautiful they are. So the first color is this gorgeous pink color. Then we have this gorgeous yellow, which is perfect for spring. So I'm not putting much on the sticker because I can't be wasting this shit. Then this gorgeous fuchsia pink. It looks red on camera, but it's actually fuchsia pink. But I think it looks red. But I don't know. I'm probably colorblind. Who knows? Then this gorgeous teal color. It actually matches my nails. I didn't realize that until coming to the end though. And this blue. And also this purple, which is so gorgeous. So I placed it in the lamp for 60 seconds and now I'm just applying it to the bottles. So I also purchased this Model 1 glitter gel polish. It comes in this beautiful box and in it there are 6 gel pots and a gel painting pen. So the gel pen was defective and I was so annoyed because I didn't have a backup brush, so I had to use it like that. So the gels that I have are number 001, which is this gorgeous holographic silver. Do you guys see how gorgeous this is? It's almost blinding. All of them are so gorgeous. And 002, which is a holographic rose gold, which is super gorgeous as well. I really couldn't figure out which one was my favorite. All of them are my favorite. Then 003 is a holographic gold glitter. Wow. I love glitter. Oh my gosh. Then 004, which is a pink holographic glitter. Then 005 is a holographic blue glitter. And last but not least, 006, which is a holographic black glitter. All of these glitters are so gorgeous. I love them all. So I'll be doing some swatches with my defective brush just to see if it's the same color when applied to the nail. So I applied one coat first and I just pat it in. This gel is really nice to work with. It's kind of thick, so I don't need much. It's nice on its own, or if you want to apply it on top of a solid color as well as an overlay, just to give it some glitter, give the nail some glitter. I didn't cure in between colors and the colors stayed on the nail perfectly. I really loved each color. It is so nice. I really couldn't pick a favorite. So I'm going to leave you now to check out all the swatches and I'll be back when it's done. So I'm back. This is after I cured it for 60 seconds and the nail was textured, but not as textured as I thought it would be. I expected it to be super rough, but it wasn't that bad. One coat of top coat would have rendered it smooth to the touch. So I didn't purchase this Revel nail kit on Amazon. I actually purchased on their website for one of their sales. So I picked up this Passion for Pastel nail kit. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So the kit comes with 4 0.5 ounce dip powders and the liquids. So the powders that I got are this light pink dip powder that they call Ballet, then a light purple dip powder named Lola. I so love these names. Then this blue dip powder with some blue glitter, and it's so nice. The name of this dip powder is Flirty. Then this beautiful light green dip powder which they call Lush. The liquids I got were base, activator, top coat and gel thinners. The gel thinner was the only one that seemed to have any liquid in it. I don't know where all the liquid gone. All the bottles were so light. So I also purchased this beautiful glitter dip powder called Opulent. Wow, do you guys see this glitter? It's so beautiful. Can't wait to use it. And I also got a free dip powder, which is so gorgeous as well. So this is a few weeks later, and I also purchased a black dipping powder from Revel Nail in the shade Barbara, and also Vivian Clear Dip Powder. I purchased this clear glitter from Amazon. I'm not sure what I'm going to be using it for as yet, but I'll find something. Then I also purchased some storage containers for all of my dip powders. I purchased 4 storage containers, but I'm only showing you one. I have dip powders everywhere, so I wanted something that would keep all of my dip powders in place. And it's really nice. I really like it. I may even purchase more. It holds 1 ounce jars and less comfortably. The 2 ounce, not so much. You would have to remove most of the dividers for it to fit perfectly. So I'm just showing you how I place some of my dip powders in the containers. So this is the end of my nail haul. Hope you like, and while you're here, check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!